Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are we going?
We're making our way to Illinois now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes. Last night we stayed at the Wal-Mart again. It was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We weren't supposed to.
We weren't supposed to, so sorry, my hair looking crazy. We were supposed to stay at an actual RV resort place. We had like this membership, and when we got there, it was around 12 a.m. and we went to the security office to ring the bell. Nobody answered. Nobody was there. And so then we had to end up spending our night in the Walmart parking lot. But I just have questions, like, if it's supposed to be a gated, so it was a gate there. Basically, you had to ask permission to be let in the gate. But my thing is, if you're security guard, how are you keeping people safe if there's no one there? That's my first question. And then two, what if you were in there and you need to leave and then come back? What would be unless there's some sort of like key card they give you? I don't know. It didn't seem that way. I didn't see a key post. But yeah, so it was a long drive, and we got a late start yesterday, so we got there late. But what time is it? It is currently 9:20 Eastern Standard Time, and when we get to Illinois, it'll be around maybe 1 o'clock, 1 or so. So we'll have all day to enjoy the next RV place we're staying at. So, and again, we just pulled into the Walmart parking lot and just went straight to sleep.
Yeah.
Which was great. So yeah, I was just driving. I'm about to do my hair, and yay. Well, we made it, baby!
Yay!
Our first, our first RV stay. So we got the stuff. Let's see. We got a map.
Yes.
We got some permit stuff. What'd they say? How easy was it to like check in and stuff?
It was easy. They just told us where our spot is and gave us a map. So we'll go over to them.
Nice. Alright, we are at our stop. We're at our spot at the RV park. It's beautiful. Yeah. Water hookups, so this will be new. Water hookups, and we'll have electric. And we've never done that before, so that'll be new and exciting. So we just got here, so we're plugging up to the water and to the electricity.
So I guess I'll do the water first. So you attach to your water source, which is this spigot that they have here. Make sure it's on tight. And then cover into the hose. Stretch. To the city water intake. RV. Make sure that's nice and snug. Okay. And then electricity. So we have adapters and things like that, which I don't think you need right now, but we might. There's another adapter. There we go. So just put it right in. I don't think we need that. Plug in. And just turn it on.
Snap.
Yep.
So now we have electricity.
Yep.
How do we know the water's on?
We're just gonna turn it on.
Oh, okay.
Lift this up. Make sure, hopefully no water shoots out.
Okay. Oh, you can hear it.
So the water's pressurized, so we don't need to turn on our water pump or anything like that.
Oh, good.
Just turn on. So you should test that. Make sure it actually turns on.
Yes.
That wouldn't be good.
No.
But that's it. Water and electricity.
Hey.
So let's see. This is where we keep our water when we're driving, so it doesn't fall everywhere. Let's see what we got. Water.
Ah! We have water.
Water here too.
Water. So probably not have to use the water heater to heat it up, right?
I don't know about that. We might need to use the water heater.
Yeah.
Because I don't think that water is heated or whatever. And this, our refrigerator should be running off of electricity now.
Oh,
Get
I guess we
plugged
should
up.
see if we can plug something into the
Oh yeah, sure.
thing's outlet. So let's see if a plug actually works. If I can find a plug.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't even test to see if the plugs are functional or not. So, my phone on. Oh, it's charging.
That's good.
Ah, don't look at my notifications. But yeah, it's charging. I don't know if you can see. Do you see that now?
Yes.
We have power.
Mm-hmm.
We did it!
Yay.
Yay! So yeah, so that's our first time plugging in.
Mm-hmm.
And what I'll do now is I want to spray the cords and stuff with lemon juice. So got this tip online too. We'll see how good it works. Because sometimes people have issues with ants and stuff in their RV. So and like little pests and maybe even mice. So a tip that was given was to spray ammonia around the RV itself, and then anything that's connected or on the ground to the RV, spray it with lemon juice because ants don't like acid. So we have vinegar. We also have lemon juice just in case doesn't work. But yeah, we're gonna use vinegar because apparently it's more acidic than lemon juice. So it's hot in here. Maybe we can try to run the AC and see what that's like. I haven't done it yet, but anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna go do that now. All right, so all I'm doing is just okay, I actually open this first. So this is the ammonia, and the ammonia is just supposed to keep away like rodents because apparently they don't like the scent of it, or so I'm just. Alright, so the vinegar you just spray on like tires. Oh, again, not open. I guess I gotta close that one. Sure. And tires. Basically anything that's touching the ground. All right. And then inside also to deter ants and stuff like that, I'm just gonna use peppermint, lavender, and yeah, hope for the best.
Cool, good job, babe.
I don't know if y'all can hear you, but this is the first time I'm running the AC, and it feels heavenly. It's nice. It's nice luxury. Alright. Started it. So now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Our first day here at this resort. I wanna go to the pool, but we'll see. Maybe ride bikes and whatnot. On our way to get pizza. What? Oh. Well, so we just came back from the swim. We're about to get some pizza. And it's gonna be delicious. Hopefully, we heard good things on the reviews on Google, so. Yeah.
Sure. I didn't read the reviews.
Oh. Well, there's only a few things open around here, so.
Yeah.
Slim pickings.
I don't feel like cooking yet.
Yeah, not yet.
So on our trip so far to the Midwest, that's where we are right now.
Yep.
The most consistent thing I've found is that streets are bad and they need to be worked on.
Everywhere.
On the highways and stuff like that.
Yes.
But we're in this nice little town, Amboy.
Yes.
Seems like Amboy,
Illinois.
Never heard of it. It's a nice little town.
Yeah.
We're getting some pizza.
Yeah.
And
it's literally the only thing that's open.
yeah, everything else is kind of closed. So
Yeah, that's weird.
yeah, it's like a small little town.
Yeah.
So,
And it is Monday at 8:16 p.m.
yeah, which is fine. We got stuff to do anyway,
Yeah.
so we don't need to be out. We got work to do.
We got work to do.
Yeah.
Also, they have these gnats out here.
Yeah, it's a lot of gnats.
And they go crazy.
Yeah,
Like,
so I don't know what's up with that.
yeah, once they sense you,
Yeah,
it's like they tell their friends and it's a party
Yeah.
on your forehead.
yeah.
So,
So we're gonna get something to eat, and we're gonna go back to Darla and
yes.
just enjoy the rest of the night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and chill.
Chill, and then tomorrow I was working.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Got
'Cause,
things to do.
yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Yeah. But all right. Until next time, guys.